And actually, without a defined purpose, telling stories just can be a little bit random. So I put that context around it. I talk about the science of stories. I talk about what stops us from telling stories. There's a little bit of interaction in terms of telling stories, and 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 then I actually describe the context for telling stories, because my theory is there is a lot of work to do on the content of stories, but that's like that's the nitty gritty, that's the technicalities of it. This part you need to understand first. And yes, if you want to hone the craft of stories, there's a lot of work around language and structure, um, and stuff that you can do where you make your stories incredibly compelling. But before that, you can make your stories nonetheless connect and engage and hold attention. It's a very scarce resource. Um, and boost recall of your key messages. And so I explain all of that. And I do it all telling stories.